Good evening, I'm Sharon Coe. The battle of abortion intensifying on both sides right now. Abortion rights rallies are happening tonight here in San Antonio and across the nation. Protesters saying bans off our bodies. This comes one night after a bombshell leak showing the Supreme Court could be set to abolish Roe versus Wade, but only a draft opinion was leaked. So it's not the final word from the High Court. Still, anti-abortion advocates are optimistic tonight. In minutes, new legal insight from the Bexar County District Attorney. But first, KENS 5 reporter Henry Ramos starts us off at tonight's protest in downtown San Antonio.
The chants could be heard in the downtown streets. Abortion rights supporters in front of the federal courthouse. They want to be heard, like mother of two, Amy Bossler.
We're here today to defend their rights.
In their stroller, the mom brought her 1- and 4-year-old.
It's really emotional. It's a really scary time.
Sign after sign, the demonstrators wrote how they felt. They yelled their messages. Strangers united in belief and standing in solidarity. They say they are protecting their rights. For some, it is personal.
I had an ectopic pregnancy at 14 and it was traumatic, and if there are situations where people can't even get a medical exception to it, I could have died.
On the other side, Texas Alliance for Life.
And we recognize that it's not a final. And so we're cautiously optimistic that when the final decision is released, it'll reflect what we've seen in the leak.
And the Students for Life at UTSA.
We are very excited about the news. I think it's important to know that this is not a final decision. So we aren't celebrating as of yet.
Tonight, both sides are only getting louder. Only getting louder. Tonight, I saw Bexar County District Attorney Joe Gonzales. He came out here to show his support. Gonzales, very opinionated, saying that he supports a woman's right to choose.
I'm the elected district attorney, and our office is responsible for making those prosecuting decisions. My commitment to the citizens of Bexar County is that I am not going to prosecute someone who makes a decision about her own body.
Gonzales went on to say that he will also back up the medical community who support women making their own choice. He went on to say that if the Supreme Court decides to overturn abortion rights, he said it would be a travesty. We're live downtown tonight. Henry Ramos, KENS 5. Sharon?
Thank you, Henry. The Supreme Court is expected to issue its final ruling by the end of June or early July. And we want to emphasize the leaked document was only a draft opinion published by Politico, so it is not the court's final decision. We'll be following all the developments on air and online.